Hi, I'm Kevin with Kid Museum. Today I'm gonna show you how we can make a pop-up card like this one here. I'm gonna start with the paper that I want to be the bulk of the card. And I'm gonna fold it in half, like this, and then open it back up so I can work on the inside. I'm now gonna add the part that pops out of the card. You could use any color for this. I chose a different color just so it's easier to see. And I'm gonna cut a strip of paper, and I'm gonna lay it across the part of the card that I want it to pop out of. I'm gonna tape down both sides. And now what's gonna make this shape pop up is I'm gonna bend it. So I'm gonna pull it up and close the card and press down to fold that piece inside. So when I open the card up again, my strip is now popping up. So now I can add whatever decoration I'd like to pop out of the card. I'm gonna use a heart. I'll tape the heart onto the strip. So now when I close the card, my shape inside is flat, but now if I open it, my heart will pop up. I can't wait to see what creative designs you create for a pop-up card.